Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the mechanism of nitrogen fixation. Let's see. Transverse section of legume plant root, outgrowth of epidermis or epiblema of root from root hair which absorb the water and minerals from soil particles. Below the epidermis, cortex region is found, and below the cortex, pericycle region is start. To begin, the root of leguminous plant secrete a specific glycoprotein which is sugar binding protein called as lectin, and this lectin attract specific rhizobium species towards roots. So, under the influence of plant hormone, auxin and cytokinin secreted by the root hair secrete auxin and cytokinin hormone, and rhizobium bacteria secrete nod factor which help in nodule formation. After this, the bacterium attached to root hair and curling of root hair is induced and the root hair become hook shaped. Attachment of rhizobium bacteria to root hair is chemotactic movement. After this, the cell wall near the tip of the hook shaped root hair becomes damaged or break, and through the broken cell wall, the bacterial cell enter the root hair along with mucilaginous substance. So, after entry into the root hair, these bacteria are called bacterioids. It means rhizobium bacteria enter into root hair due to broken off cell wall of root hair. Then inside the root hair, these bacteria are known as bacterioids. The plasma membrane of the invaded root hair become folded. Plasma membrane means cell membrane of root hairs invaded into root hair and become folded and form a thread-like structure which is known as infection thread. The bacterioids keeps on multiplying in the infection thread. And the infection thread penetrates the cortex cell and pericycle of root. As the infection thread penetrates the cortex cells, the amount of DNA in the nucleus of the cells of outer cortex cells increases due to polyploidy induced in the cell of outer cortex. Okay, so these polyploid cells produce the nodule by repeated cell division, and the size of the nodules increases by the impact of indole acetic acid or auxin hormone and cytokinin hormone, which are secreted by the plant and bacterial cell. It means nodules are formed in the cortex and pericycle region. Generally, we can say that nodules are formed in cortex region. After formation of nodule, vascular tissue develops in it and connects with the vascular tissue of the root. To get nutrition. The bacterioids present in the nodule contain a pigment called as leg hemoglobin in the peribacterioid membrane. Due to this pigment, these nodules appear pinkish color, and the non-functional nodule appear white or light yellow colored. Let's see bacterioids in a nodule. It is the cortex region, and in the cortex cell, nodules are formed. Inside the nodule, bacterioids are found and surrounded by peribacterioid membrane. In the peribacterioid membrane, a pinkish color pigment is present, which is known as leg hemoglobin. What is the leg hemoglobin? It is a hollow protein or hollow enzyme and formed of globin protein and heme pigment. Globin is a apoprotein and heme an iron atom bound in a porphyrin ring and produced by bacteria. It means globin protein synthesized by legume plant and heme pigment is synthesized by rhizobium bacteria. So, leg hemoglobin is a conjugated protein part and its affinity with oxygen during nitrogen fixation, and it performs in active nodule. Then nitrogenase enzyme become anaerobic and atmosphere nitrogen convert into ammonia gas. So, due to presence of leg hemoglobin in the nodule, oxygen-free environment is formed for nitrogenase enzyme. Note: in symbiotic nitrogen fixation, two types of proteins have special significance. These are first leg hemoglobin, second nodulin protein. Firstly, we will talk about the leg hemoglobin protein. The active functional nodule of leguminous plant which fix nitrogen have pink colored pigment called leg hemoglobin. This pigment absorbs oxygen during nitrogen fixation. लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट लाइक पी, ग्राउंडनट, इनकी रूट को अपन उखाड़ कर देखेंगे तो रूट के अंदर अपन को पिंकिश कलर की नोड्यूल्स दिखाई देती है यदि प्लांट की रूट फंक्शनल है तो। नॉन फंक्शनल कंडीशन में ये नोड्यूल्स वाइट और लाइट येलो कलर की शो होती है। इस पिगमेंट का फंक्शन ये है, ये नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन के ड्यूरिंग ऑक्सीजन को एब्जॉर्ब करता है, देन ऑक्सीजन है वो पेरीबैक्टीरियल मेम्ब्रेन में ही ट्रैप हो जाती है, नोड्यूल के अंदर जो नाइट्रोजनेज एंजाइम प्रेजेंट होता है उस तक नहीं पहुंच पाती। द नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग एंजाइम nitrogenase is highly sensitive to the presence of oxygen and is active only under anaerobic condition. नोड्यूल के अंदर नाइट्रोजनेज एंजाइम प्रेजेंट होता है जो ऑक्सीजन के लिए हाईली सेंसिटिव होता है। यदि ऑक्सीजन नोड्यूल के अंदर आ रही है तो ये एंजाइम एटमॉस्फेयर नाइट्रोजन को अमोनिया में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर पाएगा, बिकॉज इसको एरोबिक एनवायरनमेंट नहीं चाहिए, एनएरोबिक एनवायरनमेंट चाहिए। लेग हीमोग्लोबिन जो पेरीबैक्टीरियल मेम्ब्रेन में प्रेजेंट होती है वह क्या करती है, एटमॉस्फेयर ऑक्सीजन को पेरीबैक्टीरियल मेम्ब्रेन में ट्रैप कर लेती है, नोड्यूल के अंदर पहुंचने नहीं देती, जिसकी वजह से एनएरोबिक एनवायरनमेंट बना रहता है और नाइट्रोजन एंजाइम एक्टिव फॉर्म में रहता है। So, in the absence of oxygen and becomes inactive in the presence of oxygen. नाइट्रोजन एंजाइम ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में इनएक्टिव हो जाता है एंड ऑक्सीजन की एब्सेंस में एक्टिवेट हो जाता है। तो सॉइल के अंदर जो ऑक्सीजन है उसको एब्जॉर्ब करने का फंक्शन होता है लेग हीमोग्लोबिन का, इसकी वजह से ऑक्सीजन है वो नाइट्रोजनेज तक नहीं पहुंच पाती और नाइट्रोजनेज एक्टिवली फंक्शन करता है। Thus, by absorbing oxygen, leg hemoglobin prevents inactivation of nitrogenase enzyme. Hence, in the absence of leg hemoglobin, fixation of nitrogen is not possible because oxygen inactivates the nitrogenase enzyme. यदि लेग हीमोग्लोबिन पिगमेंट नोड्यूल में एब्सेंट है देन नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन पॉसिबल नहीं, बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन एनवायरमेंट में नाइट्रोजन एंजाइम इनएक्टिवेट हो जाएगा। सो लेग हीमोग्लोबिन पिगमेंट नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन के लिए एसेंशियल है और ये एक कॉन्जुगेटेड प्रोटीन है जो हीम एंड ग्लोबिन प्रोटीन से बनती है। हीम का सिंथेसिस राइजोबियम बैक्टीरियम करता है एंड ग्लोबिन प्रोटीन का सिंथेसिस प्लांट करेगा। Next, second protein is nodulin protein. In fixation of atmosphere nitrogen into nitrogen compound, the node gene which are synthesized by host plant and node, nif and fix genes of bacteria play a special role. It means there are 4 genes. Node genes are found in both host plant and rhizobium bacteria and function is nodule formation. But nip and fix gene present only in rhizobium bacteria and their function is nitrogen fixation. Capital N represent the bacterial node genes and small n represent the host plant node gene. That's why it's called symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Because node genes are secreted by both plant and rhizobium bacteria which help in nodule formation, and nif and fix genes are secreted by rhizobium bacteria which help in nitrogen fixation. So these are nodulin proteins. Next topic, Mechanism of symbiotic nitrogen fixation. In previous topic, we discussed about the nodule formation, because after nodule formation, with the help of nitrogen enzyme which is present in nodule, nitrogen fixation process is start. This mechanism is proposed by Bury scientist. So symbiotic nitrogen fixation is completed in root nodules of leguminous plant. For this, requirements are following. First, substrate is nitrogen, enzyme nitrogenase, because nitrogenase enzyme is a MOFE protein, it means molybdenum iron protein, and catalyze the conversion of atmosphere nitrogen to ammonia. This enzyme is activated by both molybdenum and iron, but mainly by molybdenum. Third requirement is source of energy in the form of ATP. During free-living nitrogen fixation, prokaryotes itself is the source of ATP, but during symbiosis, ATP is obtained from the respiration of the host cell, means from the plant body. Fourth requirement is source of reduction power, NADH. During free-living nitrogen fixation, prokaryote itself is the source of NADH, but during symbiotic, NADH provided by the respiration of host cell. It means ATP and NADH are provided by host cell, means by plant body. And last requirement is oxygen-free environment. The enzyme nitrogenase is highly sensitive to the molecular oxygen. Thus, its activation requires anaerobic conditions. So, to protect this enzyme, the nodule contains an oxygen scavenger called leg hemoglobin. So, symbiotic nitrogen fixation is completed in the root nodules of leguminous plant, and these nodules contain nitrogenase enzyme and leg hemoglobin protein pigment is necessary for nitrogen fixation. Synthesis of nitrogen enzyme is controlled by the NIP gene. Full form of NIP gene is nitrogenase inducing factor of Rhizobium bacteria. So, nitrogenase enzyme, leg hemoglobin protein and NIP genes are essential for nitrogen fixation, and molybdenum element is also. Nitrogenase is a complex enzyme, and besides protein, it contains molybdenum and iron element, but mainly molybdenum is more needed. Nitrogenase enzyme convert free atmosphere nitrogen into ammonia and use ATP energy in the process. So, the process of nitrogen fixation can be summarized by following reaction. Atmosphere nitrogen plus 8H plus 8 electron and 16 ATP used by nitrogenase enzyme and convert atmosphere nitrogen into ammonia and release hydrogen and 16 ATP plus 16 inorganic phosphate. It means in above reaction, the ammonia synthesized by the nitrogenase enzyme require a very high amount of energy, 8 ATP molecule for each ammonia produced, and 2 ammonia के लिए 16 ATP की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. और ये रिएक्शन नोड्यूल के अंदर होती है. सो फर्स्टली अपन ने नोड्यूल बनाया. नोड्यूल के अंदर नाइट्रोजन एंजाइम होता है. नोड्यूल के अंदर एटमॉस्फेयर नाइट्रोजन को अमोनिया में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है और उसके लिए 8H प्लस 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड 16 ATP की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. और नाइट्रोजन एंजाइम को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए लेग हीमोग्लोबिन पिगमेंट चाहिए जो O2 को एब्जॉर्ब करके नाइट्रोजन को एक्टिवेट करेगा. और ये Fe एंड मोलिब्डेनम से बना हुआ प्रोटीन पार्ट. लेट्स सी nitrogenase enzyme and conversion of atmosphere nitrogen into ammonia. It is the nitrogenase enzyme and substrate is nitrogen gas in the N2 form. Substrate nitrogen gas bind with nitrogenase enzyme. Then enzyme substrate complex is formed. Further, reduction by 2H plus. Then one bond is break and double bond N form of nitrogen is formed due to use of 2 ATP molecules. So NH form is formed. Next, reduction by 2H plus and 2 ATP, then N single bond N, it means NH2 form of nitrogen is formed. Further, 2 ATP and 2H plus or 2 electrons are 3 form of nitrogen compound is formed. Now, ammonia is separated from enzyme, then 2H plus 2 electron and 2 ATP is also used, and NH3 it means 2 NH3 are formed from 1 and 2. So 2 NH3 are the product and enzyme is separated, and pre-nitrogenase enzyme can bind another molecule of nitrogen for next reaction. So in this reaction, 2H plus 2H plus 4H plus 6H plus and 2H plus are also used in this reaction. So total 8H plus 8 electrons and 16 ATP are used. Then atmosphere nitrogen convert into ammonia.